Welcome to another episode of Get It
and Eat It in Bed.
But once again, we got food that is so sexy. It came in an unmarked brown paper bag. By the way, parental discretion is advised because it is about to get dirty. What do we got here, that girl?
We got a yummy, delicious baked potato from Rockin' Potato.
Well, describe it.
We've got sour cream, cheese, bacon, extra butter,
Lobster bisque.
lobster bisque, cheese. It's the cheese.
It's about to get dirty now.
Oh, so dirty, that guy. What is that hot dog?
That is an elote hot dog from Dirt Dog, where everything is dirty over there. It's so good, it can barely be shown on public television.
Oh, that guy, your dog looks dirty.
Let's dive in.
Let's go.
Oh man, that is delicious. The elote dog, street corn dog from Dirt Dog. How's your potato, that girl?
Look at this. It's just.
You better look away, people, because it's about to get dirty. Hey, that girl.
Yeah, that guy.
Something bad just happened here.
It was dirty.
It was so good.
It was good. I was so full.
So full.
I couldn't even eat it all. It was so much.
I ate the whole thing.
Because you're dirty.
It was bad.
I got a night.
I love you, Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
See you next time.